All right, you guys, we made a boo-boo. We, as in I, scratched the snot out of my car. Just headed to a client's house on a dirt road in a very rural area. And there was some tree branches hanging over, sticking out. And I scratched the snot out of my car driving on this dirt road where the branches were hanging over and it scratched the car. Let me show you. So here we are. Let me just back up real quick and show you. We've got some really bad scratches. So we're gonna go try to buff this out and see if we can get her back to looking normal. We've got the chemical guys, scratch and swirl remover. We've got our towels. Let's go to the car wash and see what we can do. All right, so we did wash the car. You can see it. You can see the scratches here. And down on the door. Down on the door right here. You can see it. Really good one. Right here by the door handle on the passenger side. So we're gonna get to work and try to buff this stuff out. A little bit right here too, just a smidget. All right, we'll let you know how it looks afterwards. We've got the chemical guys scratch remover rubbed into the paint. We are gonna see if this removes the scratches or not. We'll let you know after it sits for about 5 minutes. Check in with you then. Okay, so this is where it was. It's much better. It's not so obvious looking. Even here on the door, this was the old scratch. So, gosh, it really did a good job. Let me see if I can get an angle. Oh, yeah, right there. Okay. All right, so it really did a good job. But we're gonna get oh, I can see this with my eyes, but you probably can't see it on the phone. Oh yeah, right there. So, really hard to see. But we don't see, oh, a little bit right here too. So we're gonna go back over this area. But I'm pretty impressed so far. We're gonna give it another go, see what happens. All right, you can see where the wax is on this one. This is our second coat. So this is our second attempt to fully remove the scratches. I went a little heavier on the door. Actually, I need to probably get that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but let me go back and get that. There's that area, and then there's that area. So let's wipe it off and see what it looks like. All right, you guys, we went back over it with a second coat. Remember, those scratches were up here, and you cannot see them. Wow, I'm really impressed. Here's the side panel right here. Yeah, I can't see anything. It's gonna be really hard to pick up on the phone, but I can't see anything at all. Wow. That's where the scratch was, right here in this area. So I can't hardly see anything. And the door handle. Little tiny bit right there still. Incredibly hard to see. So I think this is a W. I think this is an absolute W. Wow, I'm super duper impressed. Oh, right there. You can kind of see where the old, at that angle, if the light's hitting it just right, you can kind of see where the scratch was. Oh, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. I'm gonna give it a third attempt. Well, yeah, I can't see the scratches. Look at the car doors like reflecting the road so well. So this is where the scratch was. You can still see it a little bit with the naked eye. The phone's not grabbing it right there. Right there. So, but it really did mask it really well. I mean, you're gonna have to come up and like stare at the car really hard. Like you're gonna come up, in order to see it, like you really have to come up and look like really closely. So I'm super impressed with this product. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description down below. But I'm super duper impressed. You can see that there was a scratch there. I mean, you can barely see a hint of it right here. But again, you have to be looking for it. The scratch is right here. So I'm just trying to change the angle. But obviously you could see those scratches before, you guys. So anyways, we'll leave a link in the description below, and let me know what you guys think about the scratch remover product from Chemical Guys. I'm impressed. I liked it. Total thumbs up.